Latest update regarding sa e-travel registration gamit ang eGov apps. Pero take note guys, na kahit pinapadownload na ang eGov apps, ay pwede pa rin mag-registered gamit ang e-travel registration website. Kung paano? I-click lang ang tatlong line sa taas, then i-click ang sign in. Pero dito muna tayo sa eGov apps guys kasi ito yung tutorial natin. So kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, it's me, Jinkais TV. Please don't forget to subscribe at i-hit ang notification bell para lagi kang ma-notify sa mga videos, tips, and tutorial na aking i-upload.
Ayan, kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-download ng inyong eGov apps, ayan, punta lang kayo sa inyong Play Store and then type eGov Super Apps and then ito ang lalabas na logo. Yellow, blue, and red and then install. After that guys is i-open na lang ninyo. And then, kung nakagawa na kayo ng account, ayan, type nyo lang dito ang inyong number. And then, kung hindi pa kayo gawa ng inyong account, i-click lang ang sign in. And then, after that, and then, ilagay ang Philippine number, yung active na ginagamit sa Pilipinas. And then, click next. And then, may mag-send ng OTP sa inyong mga email or number na kung saan ay ginamit ninyo sa inyong pag-sign in. And then, next. And then, gagawa kayo ng inyong MPIN. And then, huwag niyong kalimutan ang inyong mga MPIN kasi gagamitin niyo yan sa inyong pag-login. And then, next. And then, confirm your MPIN. Ayan. And then, after that, click next. And then, ito ang lalabas. Congratulations! Wow. So, it means nakagawa na kayo ng inyong account. And then, ito na ang next. And then, open mo ang iyong apps. And then, nakalagay is verify your account. And then, click ang verify account. Ayan. And then, citizenship, tayo ay Filipino. And then, first name, middle name, and last name. And then, birthday. And then, ilagay ang Philippine active number. And then, sex, female or male. And then, click next. And then, country, province, municipality, barangay, and house number. And then, postal number. And then, click next. And then, dito, i-review lang ninyo inyong mga details. Ayan, kung tama na ang inyong details, i-click lang ang next. And then, dito naman sa take live selfie, and then, i-click lang sa baba ang top launch camera, and then next. And then, move your head to the left. Ayan. After that, guys, is move your head to right side, and then, next. And then, blink your eyes, and then, kung okay na, guys, is i-click lang yung I'm happy. And then, next. And then, submit your valid ID for verification. And then, click submit valid ID. And then, capture your passport or ID. And then, after that, click I agree. Then, dito guys, i-click ang new travel declaration. And then, sa travel registration is kung ikaw ay kung ikaw yung magre-registered, i-click lang yung for me. So, kung may kasama kang family guys, is mag-registered ka muna bago mo sila i-add sa family member. And then, hayaan na lang ninyo yung air. Ayan. And then, dito naman sa arrival entering the Philippines, ayan, kung kayo ay magbabakasyon sa Pilipinas. And then, dito naman sa departure leaving the Philippines, kung kayo naman ay pabalik sa ibang bansa. And then, at dito naman guys, sa special flight, hayaan na lang ninyo yan siya and then click continue. And after that is, dito naman sa travel details, Philippine arrival via air. And then purpose travel is returning to the Philippines. And then travel type, aircraft, yung ilalagay ninyo. And then, tayo ay magbabakasyon, so ilagay natin yung residence. And then, flight information, date of arrival, name of airline, flight number, ayan. And then, next is flight information. Ayan, check lang niyo yan siya guys. And then, dito nga pala sa yung ibang airline niya pala guys ay hindi makikita yung flight number. Ayan, kung hindi niyo yan makikita guys, naalala niyo yung special flight, pwede yan ninyo yan i-click. And then, dito naman guys is 00 lang ilagay ninyo and then next. And then, ngayon guys is hindi na natin kailangan yung PCR test. So, ilagay lang ninyo dyan is no, and then next, and then i-check ninyo yung inyong personal information, and then kung tama. And then, next is scroll up lang ninyo, and then next is ito na yung kinalabasan. Congratulations, you have successfully submitted your details. And then, ang next na ito guys is yung inyong e-travel pass. And then, ito na guys, ang bagong e-travel pass ngayon. So, ayan lang guys.
So, that's all guys for today's video. Kung may natutunan ka sa video ito, please don't forget to subscribe at i-hit ang notification bell para lagi ka ma-notify sa mga videos, tips, and tutorial na aking i-upload. Thank you and God bless! Para lagi ka ma-notify sa mga videos, tips, and tutorial na aking i-upload. Thank you and God bless!